Hello everyone and welcome to Simplified CCC Computer Fundamental Training video series. Myself Antra and I am your trainer. So we are discussing about here the financial literacy, in which today we are going to discuss about the insurance, and then what is so important to have the insurance, or we can say what is the necessity of insurance and what are the types of insurance. We all going to see one by one. Let's start. So first of all, let's see what is insurance. So insurance is a type of agreement that in which a company guarantees you to pay some amount as a compensation for some specific loss, damage, illness or death. In return, you have to pay them as some amount as a premium, and then they will promise you some policies. Different companies have the different premium amount and different policies, and this is my suggestion. Who are new to insurance, please go for it very clearly before you going to take any insurance. Now let's see why it is important and where we can use and where we can need the insurance in our life. So basically it can help in our business from financial loss. If we having any financial loss during our business, we can apply for the business insurance and it will help in our business loss. It can help in damage by earthquake, tsunami, flooding like incidents that occurs very incidentally, and we are not ready for that financially. So if you take the insurance for that, you can face any instant incidents. It also can help to your family financially after your death. Means after your death also you can help financially to your family. If you want to help your family after you, then you can go for some death insurance type insurance options. And it can also help in accident. If you have faced some sudden accident and you are not ready for recovering it by financially, you can have the accidental insurance option, and they will support you after your accident, after your hospitalization. They will provide you some amount of money as a insurance. So what are the types? The very first type is the life insurance. Life insurance, as the name suggests, it is a life dependent. If you got some incident like any heavy incident, and you got your death. If your death has happened, so it will provide some compensation price to your family. And if you or in the situation you know that you are not in the world for more, so you want the insurance, so you can go for the insurance, life insurance. And next is the health insurance. Health insurance is also a type of insurance. It is also provided by the companies to the employees. It can be for the employees health insurance, or for their families insurance. And next is the general insurance. General insurance covers the home loan or home insurance, car insurance like purpose. So these are all the type of insurance that I have discussed. So now you can very clearly understood the insurance, what is insurance, why it is needed, and what are the types of insurance. If you like our video, please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Pinterest. Thank you.